Then we go to Active Directory user. Then we go to Mangio server.local. Maybe the users. Then we will create a new user. We will input my first name, then my initial. No, no, no. Maybe the last name. We'll skip the initial. The user log on. Then we hit next. We put the password. We confirm the password. Then next. After that, finish. Then we close it. We go to our local DSE. Then we will create a new folder. We will name it shared folder. Then inside the shared folder, we right click the properties and the sharing. As you can see, it's not shared, so we go to advanced sharing, then share folder, permission. We will allow the full control, then we apply, then okay, apply, then okay. So this is our network path, as you can see. Then we close, hit close. Inside the share folder, we will create a new folder, and we will name it, what do you call this? IT personal. And we will add another folder, and we will name it clerk. Then after this, what do? Wait for a bit. I just need to think for a second. And we go back to tools, then Active Directory again. We go to Mangio server.local. We create a new organizational unit, and we will name it shared folder. We hit OK. Inside the shared folder, we will add a new object, and the group name will be s sf dash administration, I mean. Then we hit OK. Then inside this, the members, we will add domain users, domain administrator. Let's check the name, and it will be auto corrected, the domain admins. Then we hit OK. Then another new group, new object group. Then we will name it sf-clerk, and add another group, sf-it personnel. Hit OK. And after this, wait. After this, we right click this one, then members. We will add, how do you call this one? Carl. Let's check the name. That's it. It's auto corrected. Then we hit apply, then OK. In the clerk, we will, never mind. We hit So next to this is we hit close, then we go to local DSE, the shared folders, then properties, security. We go to advanced, then we change sf-add, that's autocorrect, administration. Then we convert, and after that we remove the admin, then creator, remove the user, and we will just let the system, the system. Then we select principal, sf-add. Let's check administration, and that's, we allow the full control, show basic permission, and hit OK. And we add, select principal, domain user. Let's check. Okay, domain users. We clear all. We check the read, then mhm, and we hit OK. Then we apply. We hit OK again. Then OK. In the Windows bar, we sign out. After signing out, we go to the another tab and then we put our password in the administrator. So here we are in the administrator. We close this one. Then we go to our file, local disk E, the share folder, properties, security. Then we will see the system, SF administration, and domain users. We go OK. We go to the shared folder. Inside the shared folder, we right click. Oh, never mind. How do you call this one? The next step is we go to tools, then active directory and users. We wait for a bit because it's loading. Here in IT personnel, the members you can see is Carl Mangio. Then we hit close. Here in clerk, we get properties, then security, advanced. We change it. Then let's type system add check names administration. Then disable, remove the domain user. Then we add, select principal, sf.clerk, let's check name, okay. We check the full control, we show the advanced, let's uncheck the delete permission and ownership. Wait for a bit, thinking about the next step. Sometimes I got mental blocked. Sorry, Sir Simon, for that. We hit apply, then okay. And okay again. Here in IT personnel, we go to properties, security, and advanced. We go to change. We type sf add, then autocorrect administration, then okay. Disable inheritance, we remove again. We remove the domain users, and we add another principal. And we will search for sf-IT. Check name, IT personnel, that's correct. Then hit OK. Full control, show, untick the delete and permission and ownership, then OK. Apply, OK, OK, OK. We refresh, close this one. In tools, we go to group policy, forest, Mangio, domains, Mangio server.local. We go to group policy, with new mapped dash drives, then hit OK. Right click this one, edit, maybe no. We go to local disk E, shared folder, properties, sharing. So here's the path, the network path. So we go to map drives, we edit. I think we're gonna change the path, the preference, then expand. We go to drive maps, then new map drive. We will put the location that we see in the shared folders. Then we paste it. Then reconnect. Label as Mangio as my surname. Then we go to M, then apply. Then we hit OK. And after that, we closed it. Map drives. We move it to Mangio server local. Press OK. Then we closed it. Closed. and close. Here in our second window, we will log in my other user. My username is Carl, and my password I won't say it. And now the user password must be changed before signing in. We must change because it requests new password every time you logged on. Then confirm. Then we hit next. Now changing password. Now it's changed and you will be logged on. Then it will welcome you. Hi. It said, hi. We're getting everything ready for you. We wait for a bit to load because it's the first time to boot. It may take some times. Uh, as it said, this might take several minutes. We wait for it, then it's done. Then don't turn off your PC as it said. We just need to wait. Wait, wait, wait. What's the time? Maybe we wait for another minute or so. Almost there. And here we are in our user. We go to the file. This PC, then we check Mangio M, the network location. As you can see, here's the IT personnel and the clerk. We click the personal, there's no folder. We add new text document, just a random letters, delete it, and it's deleted. Inside the clerk, Windows cannot access you because it has no permission. Then hit close, and that's it. That's my activity number 5.